Tom with Wood Grain, and today we're going to continue from our last episode and we're going to talk about interior door parts.
Always a great day in the millwork business.
So, interior door parts. One of the most important things is the frame. So, what I have here is two examples. This is typically what we call a flat jamb with stop applied. So, depending on where you are in the country will depend on typically what's available in your locale. This is a flat jamb. It comes without casing applied. This is a split jamb. And we call it a split jamb because it actually splits in half. So this would come with casing applied, and then you would just simply separate the halves to install the door. So flats and splits, they're going to vary by locale. One of the other important parts for interior doors is the door itself. Some doors are going to have what we call flat sticking, and then other doors are going to have what we would call a colonial sticking, which is a little more traditional. This is very popular today, and this has been the traditional look that you would find on a lot of doors in your home. So, parts of interior doors, thanks, and have a great day.